Hello everyone, you're in my Amy Family Workshop. In this video, I will show you a very useful blind or invisible stitch. Most often it's used for closing the openings you leave to turn your piece inside out, which means very often. I'll show you how to do it by example of this little pillow. Even out the edges of the opening and fix the fabric in place with the help of your nails to fix the fabric bends in place. And here's the stitch. Enter the needle into one of the bends close to your last tack. Hold your piece so that it's convenient to work with. Now we're going to run the needle through each of these bends alternately. Enter the needle into the parallel bend opposite the spot where you pulled your needle out in the previous move. Here's our thread. Now run the needle through the opposite bend. Take one little step at a time. Keep going like this till the end of the opening. Just a few final tacks and I'll show you how to tie the knot and hide it inside. You can tie one by picking up a piece of fabric like I showed you in the video about tying the knots. But in this case, I'll tie it under the last loop of the previous tack. Run the needle under it and enter the loop you've got twice. And tighten the knot. Put the needle into your piece close to the knot and pull it inside like this. Look what your pillow looks like if you're using the threads of the same color. I use this stitch a lot in many of my workshops, even the ones where I'm using the sewing machine.